In the shadows of 1794, a mysterious artist emerged from nowhere, Tōshūsai Sharaku. His name would echo through centuries, yet his face remains hidden. In just 10 months, he created over 140 masterpieces that would revolutionize Japanese art forever. Like smoke in the wind, he vanished without a trace. Sharaku did not paint beauty.
He painted truth. While other artists flattered their subjects, Sharaku exposed raw human emotion.
His Kabuki actor portraits revealed flaws, pride, fear, and ambition carved into every line. Bold facial features, powerful postures, psychological tension radiating from each print. He held up a mirror to the human soul, showing what others dared not see. The Edo period art world trembled. Sharaku's portraits were too honest, too powerful. His dark mica backgrounds created dramatic shadows that amplified every emotion. Each actor's true character emerged from beneath their stage makeup. Critics called his work unflattering, even shocking.
Society was not ready for such brutal honesty in art. Then came silence.
After less than a year of explosive creativity, Sharaku disappeared completely. No explanation, no farewell, no clues. Theories emerged like whispers in the night. Was he a poet? A no actor? Some believed he was even the legendary Hokusai in disguise. The mystery deepened with each passing decade. Centuries later, the world finally understood.
Sharaku was not exaggerating human features, he was revealing hidden truths. His portraits captured the psychological complexity of Kabuki theater itself. What seemed like distortion was actually profound insight into human nature. Today, Sharaku's genius lives again through Jigsaw Japan's premium Ukiyo-e puzzles. 10 iconic masterpieces, including Ichikawa Omeizo portraits, Reborn as challenging 252 and 520-piece collections. High-resolution reproductions preserve every original color and texture with smooth laminated finishes. Truth never dies. Art transcends time. Complete these legendary masterpieces with your own hands. Search Jigsaw Japan, Ukiyo-e Puzzle Store, and unlock Sharaku's eternal mystery.